Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to go back to the 80s and I really got inspired by the Devi inspired makeup look. This is from the movie Chandni, and since we are all in quarantine, I thought that there isn't a better time to try out this look. So let me know if you like it and if you want me to do any other era inspired look. Without any further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. I'm starting off by priming my eyes and I'm using the Too Faced shadow primer. After that, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer just to cover the darkness under my eye. I'm now using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette and I'm setting that primer that I used on my eyes. I'm now taking this Urban Decay Precision eyeliner and I'm tight lining my eyes, and I'm also further extending the eyeliner on the outer corner of my eye just as a guideline for the placement of the eyeshadow. Now taking the medium brown from the palette, I'm starting to create the V shape on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to list all the products and the shades used in the description below. I'm placing the shadow first with a pencil brush and then blending it with a clean blending brush. We will have to go back and forth with this step in order to get the desired blended look. Then taking the darkest brown in the palette, I'm going to place that in the outer V, further darkening the outer V. Using two tones from the same family of colors will help me create a gradient effect, and that helps to achieve a more softer and blended look. Finally, I'm taking this black eyeshadow and placing it in the outer V. Now with every darker shadow, I'm covering less eyelid space in order to create a gradient effect with the eyeshadows. Now taking this champagne shade from Kiko Cosmetics, I'm going to apply this on the remaining eyelid. Now I'm taking the black eyeshadow again and further darkening the outer V, and again going in with the blending brush and blending the eyeshadow. I am going to repeat this step of placing the eyeshadow and going back and blending it again till I achieve the desired effect and the desired color intensity on my eyelid. After this, I'm quickly going to apply some mascara and false eyelashes, and I'm going to do this off camera. Coming back, I'm further darkening the black eyeshadow on the outer V till the time I'm happy with the color intensity. Now taking the medium brown from the palette, I'm going to run this along my lower lash line, and we are going to create the same gradient on the lower lash line as well. To further darken the lower lash line, I'm also lining it with the Urban Decay eyeliner and blending the liner with a pencil brush for a more softer diffuse look. Now taking the Q-tip, I'm going to clean any eyeshadow fallout and also clean the outer edges of the eyeshadow, and this will give a more precise outer V. Now taking my MAC Pro Concealed palette, I'm going to color correct my under eye. Then applying this Too Faced Born This Way foundation on my face, and following that, I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Now taking a liquid eyeliner, I'm applying this on the upper lash line, just enough to blend the false eyelashes with my own lashes. Now taking the Maybelline concealer, I'm going to apply it on my under eye and blend it with a beauty blender. Further, I'm setting the under eye with the Laura Mercier loose powder and setting the remaining face with MAC Studio Fix powder. Now taking the browsings from Benefit Cosmetics, I am going to fill in my eyebrows. Now I'm going to apply this MAC lipstick in the shade Relentlessly Red. Since in the 80s the glossy lip was in the trend, I'm gonna overlay a lip gloss from Victoria's Secret over this lipstick that I just applied. Now taking this contour palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going to contour my face, the cheekbones, the jawline, the nose, you guys know the drill. Now taking this NARS blush, I am going to apply the blush on the apple of my cheek. I don't exactly remember the shade, but I'm going to list that below. Now I'm going to apply the nude eyeliner in my lower lash line and finish it by applying mascara. I'm now highlighting the high points of my face. Okay, so now for the finishing touch, I'm going to paint a bindi with this blue Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Okay, I know that Sridevi is wearing a yellow bindi in the inspiration picture, but since I didn't have a yellow bindi, I decided to go for the blue bindi, as she has worn blue bindis in her other movies. And I know the bindi is not perfectly aligned in the center, but I didn't realize it at the time, and also the speck of powder which is still not brushed off under the eye. But apart from that, I think this is pretty much it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it. So my mother is an 80s babe, so this sari is courtesy my mother. So she exactly has the Chandni sari that she's worn, and I just decided to wear this with a crop top because I did not have a blouse. So thumbs up for that effort. And if you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting more videos on here.